Morning. Just wake up, take a cup of coffee. Today I want to show you how what day in my life looks like for an Amazon seller. What I do, pretty much, yeah, all this stuff, all this boring stuff. I say boring, but yeah, pretty much it. Look, it's a beautiful day here in London. Yeah, you see how it's going. Obviously, I don't know what I'm going to do. Actually, I know. I'm going to finish this cup of coffee. I'm going to check some my stuff in my computer. Actually, I'm going to show you. Checking some stocks, some investments, some how my portfolio is doing today. Actually, yeah, because I have money in the stock market. So yeah, I can show you on my computer. Let's hop in. Okay, I'm here on Yahoo Finance. So yeah, this is my portfolio pretty much. I don't know if you can see. This is my stocks. I think I should do a video, entire video of how I invest and what I do to invest. Yeah, also I check my sales. Anyway, nearly all of them are FBA, so I'm not gonna be concerned too much. So yeah, it's pretty much it what I do in the morning before I'm doing my exercise. Yeah, I'll go to run like 3, 4, 5 miles. No, 3 miles. Just joking, 5. It's too much. 3 miles. So because exercise is very important, and then after that, probably I go to look for some more stuff to sell. And yeah. Okay, 1 second ago the lady with the UPS came and take one parcel from me. I'll show you how I upload the tracking number on the Amazon, so they will know the parcel is shipping. It's shipped, and yeah, the customer can track it basically. So here in my email address, I'm looking for the UPS. What is it? No reply UPS tracking number. This is it. This is the tracking number. I take it, copy. I go here on my order to dispatch. If you can load. Internet is kind of slow. I don't know why. This is the order. I hit here, or actually no, here, confirm shipment, and here I go down here. It's, yeah, I don't know if you can see, 2-3 days shipping. I hit here UPS, and I paste the tracking number, confirm dispatch, and that's it. Pretty much it. This is it. Now that I confirmed the shipping, I go into the park for the exercise, and I see you there. Also, please, if you didn't have subscribed yet, please subscribe. Hit here, this button here, and give a like. Why not? It's free, and you help me out. One like is nothing. It's easy. Thank you very much. Okay, I'm heading towards the park now to do some exercise. You see how it's going. It's a nice day today. It's kind of cloudy, so it's, yeah, nice and cool outside. It's perfect. It's the weather which I like to do exercises. So yeah. Whew. Just finished the session. I'm fucking dying. Look at the park. It's a nice park. 3 laps. Whew. I'm dying. Oh, I'm dying. Exercise is very important. If you want to be an effective entrepreneur, you have to exercise. I don't see very often fat people being entrepreneurs. They are 9-to-5 worker, but not entrepreneurs. You have to be technically fit. Plus, you'll have a competitive advantage. When you exercise, your brain working better. Your entire body is more effective because more oxygen is flowing into you, and yeah, pretty much our body works with oxygen. So running doesn't matter what exercise. I do running because in the afternoon I train again, and that's why I do only running in the morning. So also I start the day with more energy, and I feel better overall. So this is pretty much what I do in the noon. At midday, I'll probably go to have some lunch, or maybe, I don't know, I will see if it's something cooked. If not, we see later. Look at this guy. What are you doing there, Bobby? You sleeping all day, look, on my trouser. Huh? Look at this guy, sleeping all day. Huh? What are you doing there? So, I don't know. What you do to the dog that sleeps all day? Huh? What you do? This is my funny dog, always like to sleep, always like. By the way, this is the house which I'm moving next. I think it's a nice house. Yeah. As you can see, I have some more boxes. It's about to be shipped. So yeah, this is the thing that you're going to have through in your house. I mean, you have to stock the item somewhere. That's why this house, I have a garage also, so I will stock all of them. So I'm not gonna have all this mess through my house. Okay. Finally arrived at Costco. I missed the exit on the highway, and I have to drive another half an hour extra to be able to come back and to get off the highway, because this Costco is close to the highway, and yeah, a mess. Look at this. I already loaded up the basket. This, there's 2 left in here. This and this. I don't have space in my car to put it on, so it'll be for someone else to buy. Probably some of you asking why I still buy this, if you saw previously I still have stock. So the strategy here is very simple. Exhaust the stock that already exists, and the only person which will have this kind of items I'll be myself, so I can sell it more expensive than actually is. And yeah, it's one strategy that I find out this works very well for the product that sells. So yeah, I started with one or two of these. I see I sell it very fast. This I mean when I find further product, and after that I buy it all, and I sell it way more expensive. I've been able to sell it way more expensive than if I buy like one and will be available like for the public to buy someone else. So yeah, this is my strategy for here. I'm going to pay now this. I'm going to load it in my car. I think I'll come back to see. I think I find something else, I don't know. And yeah, talk to you later. So I'm here in the park. It's 7-8 o'clock. Yeah, I like to train this type of style, calisthenics. I do some training here, and yeah, it's pretty much it. I'll try to record some shots to see how do I training, and yeah, nice here. Just finish up the workout. A very good workout. Hope you enjoy it. Pretty much it for today. It's kind of this is what I'm doing. Not every day, but it's pretty much it. Now I'm going home, have a dinner, and ready for tomorrow to do something else, some new businesses, who knows. If you like it, please leave a like and subscribe if you didn't yet. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.